Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are my returning old subscriber and follower, please, I love you so much. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Today I'm here to show you a typical evening of a housemaid here in the Gulf, particularly in Saudi Arabia. Me, I'm in Saudi Arabia right now. You see? Yeah, that is a sign that I'm in Saudi Arabia. I'm going to be showing you a typical evening of a housemaid here, what we particularly do in the evening. Not every day, but every day. I think I have explained that very well. Be sure to subscribe and be sure to watch the full video of this vlog, okay? I'm going to start with the sweeping the compound. You can see this. Then we see where our evening will take us from here, from the compound. We shall see where our evening takes us. Please, I think we can start right now. Okay? Yeah. I have to make sure that I organize all the shoes on the doorway very well. I have to organize one by one. Everything must be tidy in the evening because that's the time when we must enjoy here. Not me, but my boss. So guys, every day in the evening I have to make sure that I dust all the tables regardless. Even if I clean them during the morning, it doesn't stop me from cleaning them every evening because we have to take some tea. My bosses have to take some tea and gahwa, you know that, and the snacks, so everything must be tied. I have to check twice where I cleaned. And this is me right now. Trying to do my thing. It's time for preparing dinner, but being an African, too African, I decided to let down my polythene bag so that I can prepare something for dinner from down there. As you can see, I'm preparing my stuff. Okay, let us watch this. Okay.